Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to bring objects to front in Inkscape. So for example, we are going to create here few objects. I will create a rectangle and maybe I will add here a circle, so I will do it now. Maybe it will be better if I change it to blue. Okay, now I will go to selector tool and change position of this circle somewhere here. And maybe I will add one more circle here. So let's draw it here. And I change color to black. Okay, now if you would like to change the position of this red rectangle to front, you need to go to selector tool and select this red rectangle. After that, you need to go to object, and here we have something like rise to top. Then this object will be in front, and the second option is to go to object and click here rise. Now this object will be between two circles. But if you click this option again, you can see that position has changed to front. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to bring objects to front in Inkscape, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all. Thank you for watching.